Flexible displays are all the rage here at Mobile World Congress, but almost every company is using them in the same way. They're trying to make these smartphones that can seamlessly switch between a clamshell and a small tablet. Not Nubia though. This company instead is trying to build a portable smartphone, or a wearable smartphone rather, with a screen that wraps around your wrist. Now, we've actually seen the Alpha before. They showed it off at IFA last year, but we weren't allowed to touch it and we weren't really sure what it was capable of. Here in Barcelona, the company is ready to give us a demonstration and explain how everything works. So first of all, that display. It's a 4-inch OLED panel which they developed in partnership with a company called Visionox. The entire device is water resistant, and I'm told that the screen is protected by a strong heat-resistant polymer. So here we've got the default home screen, which I'm just waking up with a tap of the button there on the right-hand side. You can see you've got the time, the date, some basic fitness metrics. Up here at the top, we've got some of the settings you can toggle on and off, such as Wi-Fi, airplane mode, that sort of thing. Further down at the bottom, we've got some quick app shortcuts. We've got a camera, we've got them. Come back there, I've got map, got some fitness data, that sort of thing. Now to get to the main app drawer, I'm just swiping in from the right-hand side, and then we've got this kind of vertical carousel. So as you might expect from a company like Nubia, lots of Chinese applications such as the messaging app WeChat. Now the whole thing runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon Wear 2100 chipset. That is the kind of old by this point creaky processor that Qualcomm replaced with the 3100 last year. It's also got 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. Now the whole thing runs on a 500 mAh battery, which the company says should last you 1 to 2 days on a single charge. Now, this thing also has a camera, a 5-megapixel snapper, which can shoot selfies and also some awkwardly framed videos. As you may have noticed on the right, we've even got a camera there. So we can load this up. You see here, I've got a nice, very strange, very flattering angle there for a selfie picture. And it's just a single tap to take a photo. And you can do that anywhere on the display, or you can tap and hold in order to record video. So that's a 5-megapixel camera. It's not exactly the highest resolution camera on the market, but it's still pretty crazy that a company like Nubia has been able to squeeze this in onto the device. And the Alpha also doubles as a fitness tracker. You'll get very basic sleep and exercise metrics, and it even does heart rate monitoring. Now, the Alpha also comes with an optional set of earbuds. Of course, Nubia also has a set of wireless earbuds called the Nubia Pods, which will retail for €99. You can also use what's called air gestures in order to navigate this. We found them to be quite finicky, but basically you see the sensor over here. I should be able to just... Now, so you see as I'm waving my hand up and down, I'm just getting that slight rotation. We've seen this on phones before, but it is interesting to see it on a wearable device such as this. Here's a conversation tree. You can reply. Then you can either touch type in using a very convoluted old style typing keyboard, or there's also a voice option too. Although obviously we're in a very loud venue, so I'm not going to try doing that here. Now, this wearable smartphone will ship in 3 different versions. There's a black Bluetooth only model that will be selling for €449. Another black model that has the 4G eSIM built inside, that will be going for €549. And finally, a gold model, which is supposed to be coated in 18-karat gold, that will retail for €649. We don't have exact release dates for all 3 of those models, but the company says it's going to try and ship at least one of those in a sort of staggered release globally this year. For everything else about the Alpha and everything else that's happening here at Mobile World Congress, keep checking out Engadget.com and youtube.com/Engadget.